What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, LaShawna Bianca. It's your girl LaShawna Bianca here, back with another video. And for this video, you guys, I'm doing an extreme makeover on my refrigerator here behind me. I'm going to be reorganizing, decluttering, cleaning out her refrigerator. Just the refrigerator, not the freezer, because the freezer is like basically already organized. So we're gonna be doing the refrigerator today. So if you guys would like to see how I transform the refrigerator from this to this, then keep watching. Okay guys, so first I'm going to show you what the fridge looks like before any cleaning, any organization. As you guys see here, this is just a mess. You know, I'm gonna keep it real. This is just a mess. We got eggs, juice, cheese dips, leftovers, milk, and then down there has to be cleaned out. And then of course over here it needs organization as well. I wanna get all of the condiments like together in one area, all the juices together, all of that. So this is our project for today, you guys. And like I said, I'm not gonna do the freezer because the freezer is not bad. So me being me, you guys, I did pick up a cute pair of gloves to do this because I need it. I got these gloves from my local Dollar Tree, so make sure you check out your local dollar store to get some cute dish gloves. And I'm gonna start by taking everything out of the fridge and start cleaning. So yeah, step one, remove everything out of the fridge. So let's get started. Fun.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hey guys, so as you can see, the refrigerator is completely cleared out. Everything is out of the fridge. All of this has to be washed, especially down here. Like what the hell is going on down here? And in here. And then in these cubbies on the side. So now I'm going to take the shelving inside the fridge and I'm going to clean every piece in the sink and put them back into the fridge. Okay guys, I'm literally sweating because that was a workout in itself, but check out the progress. So as you guys can see here, look how much cleaner the refrigerator looks. Like, y'all remember what it looked like with all that stuff over here on the side? So I'm literally sweating because that took about 30 minutes to take all these trays out, wash, clean, dry, and put them back up in there. So now the fun part, we can start putting things back into the fridge now. So I think I'm gonna start with the condiments, honestly, because those are the smaller items, and then go on to the big things. So let's get started.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Okay guys, so I am finally finished with my extreme refrigerator transformation. It took about 1 hour and 30 minutes to do the entire thing, going on 2 hours. I'm gonna show you guys the finished results of my makeover, so let's check it out. Okay, ready? So I'm gonna take you guys up close and personal so you can really see what I did here.
So before, you can see that the door has no organization and condiments are everywhere.
Okay, so first on the side, I organized all the condiments. I have all the toppings, salsa, ranch right here, and then I have mustard, sour cream, mayo on this aisle. A little lower, I have like garlic, onion.
Before, in the main part of the fridge, you can see how everything is just basically thrown everywhere. There's not really a specific order or place where anything goes.
Back up at the top, I kept the top pretty simple because I really didn't know what to put up there. I was gonna put the drinks up there, but this top part was not large enough for that. So I just decided to put like some eggs, half and half up here. I have the drinks on this row, so as you guys can see, I organized it. Gatorade, and then soda. Down here, I have the leftover rack. So this is just any leftover food, fruit, anything leftover is on this row. Down here, I have like the drink rack. So I have milk, there's also apple juice behind the milk, and then cranberry juice, but I just try to minimize the space as much as possible. Down here, in these last two bins, this first one here, I have tomatoes, vegetables, sliced meat, sandwich meat. And then this last row at the very bottom is home to like vegetables, lettuce. So, oh, and up here at the top, you know, we just have cheese and butter and some hot dogs as well. So you guys, this is my extreme home refrigerator makeover. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching me clean out the refrigerator and restock it and reorganize it. I hope she appreciates this, and I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this content. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Lashana Bianca. Don't forget that I do post a new video every week, so make sure you check back in with me next week to see what I have up there for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Deuces!